How to test microphone and hear your voice on Windows. Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are providing you with some methods in order to check it out, so you may follow out this method. So first of all, we can right click on a speaker icon here directly. Just go and right click on it and select the option for sound settings. Once you select sound settings, you can just go over and under input section look out for the microphone. Now here, just go and select your microphone that you currently have, and you can directly speak into the mic here and start test. We can find this option called microphone test. Again, click on this option called start test and check it out. You'll be seeing the input volume bar move, which means the mic is working. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, you can also basically go ahead and hear your own voice, which is mic monitoring. So for that, you can right click on your speaker icon once again, go to sound settings, and there also you can look out for recording option, or directly you can find recorder and use that application as well, and just go over and use that application to check out your sound and see if your microphone is working or not. And when you speak, you will hear your voice through your speakers and headphones as well. There might be a small delay or echo. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and use any other application to check out your voice. When you're trying to speak, you can just go and see if the microphone is working well, but usually just go over and just going over and enabling listen to this device and microphone properties should help you out, which is super easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.